out tonight, changes into something red. Her mother doesn't like that kind of dress. Everything she never had, she's showing up.
So welcome back to my vlog channel, and it's July 22nd. So I'm in my apartment. So yeah, I'm going to relax today, go to the beach, and yeah. And here's the view right here. So it's so pretty today. So yeah, this is my parents' room. So yeah, I'm to show you my my room and my condo. So I hope you guys enjoy it, because it's small, but don't judge, because it's only 2 rooms and stuff. I'm to show a tornado. So yeah, here's the front door, and here's the frame that my brother did. Here's the knife fish. Here's my brother's bed. The painting. The painting that my brother did is here, and this is my bed. Sorry, dark. And here is TV slash dresser slash lamp. So I'm time to brush my teeth and wash my face. I still have makeup from yesterday, so I do that and that's me. If you want more everything on my main channel, then comment down below. My face is refreshed, and I put it in the bun. This, yeah. And I use this pen also because it helped me with my acne and my face from my doctor. So yeah.
Otra cosa que es más caro, que es mucho más caro, yo no sé por qué, el cheese whiz. Llegó aquí, lo compré porque le hice una chisa en 2.30 y pico, y allá es no te baja de 4 y pico, de 4,60 y pico, casi 5
Talking during the meeting is distracting, and so is that ridiculous uniform. Says the woman with a bug on her head. Back in Texas, there's no greater honor than being an Armadillo Scout. Well, that may count in a flyover state, but here in the big city, that doesn't mean armadiddly.
I'm going to the beach today, so we might go at night. After this, then they're patching up like that.
That's ridiculous. I will never marry you
I'll
ever.
take you along with me.
Of course you won't.
Watching
But
TV,
Rosalie does
so
not know this. She will see the announcement. Assume you are doing it to protect her. And
I put some concealer on
to
just to make
time to join you
see me
in
a little
style.
bit.
People of Costa Luna will never accept that.
The same was said for the people of Costa Estrella 20 years ago. And look what happened.
So I'm living in the pool right now. But you make this up. So So I took a bath, and I just changed. You want an outfit of the day? So, and this is my hot top from Macy's. It's so pretty. And my shorts are from Target, I think. And I don't have any shoes yet. So yeah, I do my makeup. So. Yeah, but some a little bit foundation to the there, just a little bit. So I'm to end the vlog here because I don't want to be much longer. So I'll see you guys whenever. So follow my social media and subscribe and like and.